Hello everyone, today we would like to present a real and heartbreaking case of medical malpractice. The story of Jessica Santillan, a 17-year-old girl who died because of preventable mistake during an organ transplant. Jessica Santillan was a 17-year-old girl who lived in Mexico with her family. Jessica had a rare heart and lung condition that make it hard for her to breathe. Her only hope for a cure was a heart and lung transplant, but its surgery was not available in Mexico. So her family moved to the United States, and Jessica was placed on a transplant waiting list at the Duke University hospitals.
After 2 months, a donor heart and lungs became available and the surgery was scheduled. But as we will see, the surgery was a disaster. On February 2003, Jessica went to surgery. The doctor removed her damaged heart and lungs and replaced them with the donor organs, but something was wrong. The doctor has made a terrible mistake. The donor organs belong to a donor with blood type A, but Jessica's blood type was O positive. This meant that Jessica's body would reject the new organs, as if they were of a grand invader. Within hours, Jessica's body began to reject the new organs. She went into an organ failure and the doctor put her on a ventilator to help her breathe. They also gave medication to try to stop the rejection, but nothing worked.
The doctor realized their error and they worked quickly to find another set of matching organs. Within days, they performed a second transplant using the correct blood type, but it was too late. By that time, Jessica's body was too weak to recover. She never regained consciousness and passed away on February 22, 2003. So what went wrong? How could such a terrible mistake happen? After investigating, it was found that there were several preventable errors that led to this.
First, the surgical team failed to confirm that the donor organ matched Jessica's blood type. This is a critical step that must be taken before any transplant surgery, but somehow the important details were overlooked. Second, there was poor communication between the transplant team and the organ procurement organization. This is another major problem that can lead to medical error. Finally, there were breakdowns in language support. Jessica's family spoke only Spanish, and there were no trained medical interpreters to help them understand the risk and benefits of surgery to answer any questions they might have had.
Without proper language support, patients may not fully understand what is happening to them, which can lead to tragic outcome. The bottom line is that this was a preventable tragedy. If the surgical team had rejected the blood type, communicated effectively with the organ procurement organization, and provided adequate language support to the family, Jessica would have lived. We hope that Jessica's story will inspire hospitals to improve their system and to make sure that this kind of tragedy never happens again. Thank you for watching this medical malpractice case study. We believe this case can teach a valuable lesson for our future as healthcare professionals.